Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we shall be solving question number 30 from exercise 9.3. The question here says the number of bacteria in a certain culture, this doubles every hour, right? So initially they are saying if there are 30 bacteria present in the culture originally, so initially there were how many bacteria? 30. And how many bacteria, now they are asking how many bacteria will be present at the end of second hour, fourth hour and the nth hour. So they are growing double each hours, right? So hour is the counting unit. So the first term here of the GP is given to be 30, correct? And they are getting double each hour. So the common ratio would be 2. Now you know the value of the first term, you know the value of the common ratio. You can very easily calculate what is the number of bacteria present at the second hour, the fourth hour and the nth hour, because we know the nth term of GP is calculated according to this formula An is equal to A into R raised to power n minus 1. Now because this is the nth term of some given GP, so at the nth hour we would have, here we can substitute the value of A as 30, the value of R as 2. So at the nth hour, after the nth hour, at the end of nth hour, we would have 30 into 2 to the power n minus 1 bacteria present at the end of nth hour, correct? Now here in this nth term, if you substitute the value of n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 4 respectively, then you will have the values of bacteria, number of bacteria which is present at the end of second hour and at the end of fourth hour, correct? So let's do that also. So when you substitute n is equal to 2 here, you would have A2, 30 would be as such, 2 raised to power 2 minus 1 would be there, correct? So what would be the value of 2 raised to power 2 minus 1? It is 1. So 2 raised to power 1 is just 2. So the number of bacteria which are present at the end of second hour is 60, right? Similarly, when you put n is equal to 4 into this expression, you would have A4 is equal to A into R to the power 4 minus 1, which is 3, right? So 2 raised to power 3, which is 8. So 30 into 8 is 240. So 240 bacteria would be present at the end of fourth hour, right? So I hope you understood this question. Moreover, I can tell you one more thing. If you know what is the first term, which is 30 in this case, if you know the common ratio, you can very easily construct your GP. Your GP would be 30. Next term would be 30 AR, right? So 30 into 2, that is 60. Next term would be AR square, which would be 30 into 4, right? Which would be 120. So, or more so, or you initially had 30 bacteria and it is doubling every time. So initially it was 30, next hour it would be the double of 30, which is 60, next hour it would be the double of 60, which is 120, next hour it would be the double of 120, which is 240, and we keep on doing like this, right? So the answer to the second hour is 60, which is lying over here, right? This 60. And the answer to this fourth is 240, which is lying over here. So this is another way to do the question very simply, right? So I hope you understood this question well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.